Hello, welcome to Peter Watson's. My name's Tom, I'm the sales executive here at the garage. Today I'm just going to be taking you around this Toyota Aygo that we currently have in stock. Small automatic with a rear view camera, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But without further ado, let's take a look. So there you are. So if you do have any further questions, or indeed you're interested in any of the other vehicles on our forecourt, please do give us a call on 01756 792 911 and we look forward to hearing from you soon.